Ever wondered how to install a kitchen sink? Well, it's not as daunting as it may seem. In fact, with the right tools, a bit of patience, and a can-do attitude, it's a task you can accomplish yourself. Let's delve into the fascinating world of kitchen sink installation. A well-installed kitchen sink is a vital part of any functional kitchen, serving as the heart of your cooking and cleaning routine. The process involves a few key steps, starting from preparing the space, choosing the right sink, gathering necessary tools and materials, to the actual installation. Firstly, before diving headfirst into the installation process, it's important to assess the space and determine the appropriate sink size and style. Clearing out the area around the sink and ensuring access to plumbing connections will make the task at hand much easier. Choosing the right sink is a crucial step. From top mount to undermount and farmhouse styles, each type of sink has its own merits and drawbacks. Factors such as size, material, style, and functionality come into play when making a decision. Equipped with the right tools, you're halfway there. An adjustable wrench, screwdriver, and plumber's putty are just a few essentials you'll need. And of course, you'll need the sink, faucet, and drain assembly for the installation. Now, onto the main event, the installation process. This involves removing the old sink, preparing the countertop, installing the sink basin, attaching the faucet, connecting the drain assembly, and finally, testing for leaks to ensure everything's working as it should. But what if you run into problems? That's where a little troubleshooting comes in handy. Leaks and improper fits are common issues, and knowing how to overcome them is key. And remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help when needed. Once your sink is installed, it's important to care for it properly. Regular maintenance and cleaning can significantly prolong the lifespan of your sink, and preventative measures can help avoid pesky issues like clogs and leaks. In conclusion, proper kitchen sink installation is more than just a DIY project. It's an investment in the functionality of your kitchen. So, go ahead, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to install that sink. It's a project that's sure to pay off in the long run. Remember, safety first, and don't hesitate to seek assistance if needed.